Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series made to improve your PowerPoint skills. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can install fonts in PowerPoint. Before we begin, I want to take a few seconds to talk about a tool that will enhance your PowerPoint productivity. Download Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to use high-quality presentation themes, templates, and use it to create presentations faster. Check out the links in the description to know more. Now let's get started. To begin, you can use different websites like Google Fonts, Font Squirrel, DaFont, or similar websites to discover a wide array of free and premium fonts. Ensure you download fonts from a safe and trustworthy source to avoid potential security risks. Simply search for a font and download it. Now to install the font on your system, if the font files are compressed, right-click and extract them. Next, follow these steps. On Windows, right-click the font file and select Install or Install for all users. On macOS, simply double-click the font file and click Install Font in the font book. Now to access the font in PowerPoint, launch PowerPoint, go to the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrows next to Font, and your newly installed font should now be displayed among the available options. You can now select that font for any of the text in your presentations. But do note that your fonts may not always be available on another computer, so you might need to reinstall the font on the other computer or export the presentation as a PDF. Let's also take a quick look at some best practices when it comes to using fonts in PowerPoint. Make sure that you do not sacrifice readability in your presentations. Use a font that is clearly readable even to the audience members at the back. You may want to use fancy fonts, but in a presentation, it might appear awkward and can be distracting. To ensure readability, make sure that you do not use fonts below a specific font size. We suggest you stick to PowerPoint's usual font size for paragraphs, which is size 28 to 30. And make sure your font color has good contrast compared to the background it is on. We've got videos on this on our channel, so check out our channel and subscribe for more useful videos like this. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to check out our free PowerPoint add-in to improve your PowerPoint workflow. The link is in the description.